Welcome to this video on a description from Beyond Premiere, and Jonathan Majors is an actor known for his role in popular movies and television series. And as we know, he has recently been involved in a legal case that has garnered his significant attention. The case, which began in March 2023, involves allegations of domestic dispute and assault. While the details of the case and its subsequent developments are still unfolding, it's important to stay updated on the timeline of events to understand the situation surrounding Jonathan Majors, as well as his future in the MCU, as we know he's gonna appear in Loki Season 2. However, this may change depending on the outcome of the case and the future, as well as Kang in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. If you are a Marvel fan, you know that he's gonna be the big villain in two huge films, so this has a huge consequence or impact. In this video, we'll provide a concise summary of the events that have transpired so far, focusing on the months of March to July 2023. So let's go ahead and begin with March 2023. Okay, so in March 25th, 2023, Jonathan Majors was arrested in New York City following a domestic dispute. The victim, a 30-year-old female who was not identified, sustained minor injuries to her head and neck. Majors was charged with strangulation, assault, and harassment, reported by an unnamed source. In March 26, 2023, a day after his arrest, Majors was charged with multiple misdemeanors counts of assault and harassment, including 3 counts of assault, aggravated harassment in the second degree, 3 counts of attempted assault, third degree, and harassment in the second degree. As reported by local news, it was in March 26, 2023 where Majors' lawyers released a statement claiming that the actor is completely innocent and is probably the victim of an altercation with a woman he knows. The lawyer also stated they were gathering and presenting evidence to the district attorney with the expectation that all charges will be dropped. The evidence includes video footage from the vehicle where the episode took place, witness testimony, and written statements from the woman recanting the allegations, according to a statement released by Majors' legal team. In March 26, 2023, the U.S. Army paused new advertising featuring Majors after his arrest. Laura, public affairs chief for the Army Enterprise Marketing Office, stated, "While Mr. Major is innocent until proven guilty, prudence dictates that we would pull until the investigation into this allegation is complete." As reported by public affairs, alleged text message. In March 30, 2023, Majors' lawyers shared an alleged text message from the woman involved in the incident. In this message, the woman reportedly denied any allegations against Majors and wrote, "They assured me that you won't be charged. They said they had to arrest you as protocol when they saw the injuries on me, and they knew we had a fight." She also denied that Majors attacked or strangled her. However, police documents indicated that the woman had told them Majors allegedly struck her about the face with an open hand, causing substantial pain and laceration behind her ear, as well as allegedly grabbed her hand and neck, causing bruising and substantial pain. Now, in April, several developments occurred in the case. Number 1, the strangulation charge was dropped. The Washington Post reported that the strangulation charge against Majors was dropped and he pleaded not guilty to the other 4 charges he faced. Number 2, Majors' lawyer blamed the alleged victim. Majors' lawyer repeatedly cast blame on the alleged victim, arguing that Majors was not only innocent of assaulting her, but also the victim in their dispute. Number 3, Majors' public statement. Neither Majors nor the alleged victim made public statements since the March incident, but Majors' lawyer, Priya, has been a vocal advocate for him, sharing what she claimed were text messages from the alleged victim, Majors, after the altercation. Number 4, Majors' admission of physical contact. Insider reported that Majors admitted that their fight spilled out into traffic and that he physically picked her up and brought her back into the car to protect her from potential harm. Number 5, countersuit filed by Majors. Majors reportedly filed a countersuit against his alleged victim, claiming that she caused him pain and made him bleed during the incident. She admitted to physically grabbing her and putting her into the car, but stated that it was to protect her again from the oncoming traffic. It is important to note that the information provided is based on available news reports and may not encompass all the details of the case. Now, on June 3rd, 2023, news reports surfaced that Jonathan Majors' ex-girlfriend came forward with allegations of physical and emotional abuse during their relationship. She claimed that Majors had been physically violent towards her on multiple occasions and displayed controlling and manipulative behavior. She provided photographic evidence of injuries she allegedly sustained during their relationship. In June 8, 2023, in response to the allegations made by her, Jonathan Majors' legal team issued a statement denying the claims. They stated that the allegations were false and part of a malicious attempt to defame and damage Mayer's reputation. They also accused her of seeking attention and financial gain from her accusations. In June 15, 2023, several additional women came forward anonymously, alleging similar incidents of abuse. They claimed to have had relationships with Mayers in the past and shared their experiences of physical and emotional mistreatment. This allegation added further ammunition to Mayers' reputation and raised concerns about his behavior. In June 25, 2023, a press conference was held by a group of activists and advocates for survivors of domestic violence, demanding an investigation into the allegations against Jonathan Mayers. They called for accountability and justice, urging law enforcement to investigate the claims made by the multiple women. In June 27, 2023, reports emerged that law enforcement had launched an investigation into the allegations against Jonathan Mayers. Detectives were said to be gathering evidence and interviewing potential witnesses to determine the credibility of the claims made against the actor. The investigation aimed to ascertain if there was sufficient evidence to proceed with criminal charges. As of July 2023, the Jonathan Mayers case has not seen any significant updates. The trial is still set to begin on August 3rd, and the Manhattan prosecutors are moving forward with their case against Mayers. Mayers has denied every allegation against him, and his attorney has called the allegations false. She also stated that her team has provided investigators with video evidence that allegedly exonerates Mayers. As in July 2023, the case involving Jonathan Mayers continues to unfold, with both sides presenting their arguments and evidence. Mayers' legal team maintains his innocence, claiming that he's a victim of false accusations, and provide video evidence to support their defense. However, multiple women have come forward with allegations of abuse. The investigation into this allegation is ongoing and the trial date approach. As the case moves forward, it remains to be seen how the evidence will be evaluated and what the outcome will be. The case has drawn attention and highlights the importance of addressing allegations of domestic violence and providing support to survivors. It also has how this affects the Marvel Cinematic Universe. That's the reason that I will continue to do videos on this case. Now, there's something that you need to know about the Marvel Cinematic Universe is that Kevin Feige said that there will be no other person that he will put the future of the MCU or in his bag. And this case is Jonathan Mayers, and having an actor that is multiple variants as we get to see in the universe. So there's multiple versions of the character. So going from the end of Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania, at the end, there's multiple versions of the character. So this connects to how, as we know, this is, a huge responsibility for the actor. So this, the decision of this case is going to affect all of that. And, we already saw him in Ant-Man Quantumania, in Ant-Man and the Wasp. So yeah, this is, there's more pressure to Kevin Feige as well. One of the reasons that he's not going to San Diego Comic-Con, because a lot of people are going to ask him what is going on with the Mayers, Jonathan Mayers case. So I imagine it's for press, but that's on some of the information that I want to share. But what are your thoughts? Leave them in the comments below. My name is Christian from BM Premiere, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.